With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So in this question it is given that a benzene molecule is there and at which OH and CHO is present as substituent at meta position to each other, which is treated with bromine in presence of iron, giving P as the major product. What is the major product formed in this? We need to determine. Four options are given. So to begin with, what we can do is start with the organic molecule which is given to us, and the organic molecule is OH, benzene ring. To this benzene ring, CHO group is attached at a meta position. So what happens is if you write the double bonds over here, so this is an electron donating group and has a priority given over CHO. So what will happen? The lone pair of electrons which is present on oxygen will donate this electron to this part, which will result in the formation of a negative charge on this. And if we have bromine atom present, it is Br2, right? So Br2 can be written as this and Fe. It is going to show electrophilic substitution reaction, and electron donating group has the effect of ortho and para directing. So they are ortho and para directing. Any electrophile will come at ortho and para position. Now what will happen? This negative charge which is generated over here will be attacking the bromine atom like this, which will help in the removal of this bromine, and hence the product form would be OH, positive charge on oxygen. Then we will have bromine atom here, double bonds, and here we will have CHO. Okay, first product is this. Now what will happen is this can be having one hydrogen is present, so this hydrogen will gain over here, will the shift of bonds will happen, and this will be the product formed, that is OH. At meta position we will have CHO and bromine. So this can be also happening at this position. Basically, these both are ortho position to OH, right? So the attack can also happen at this position, and therefore the equivalent structure for this would be OH. If I would have drawn the bond over here, so it would have gone to via this mechanism, and here we will have gone Br on this ortho position. So I will just write down the equivalent structure for this Br, CHO, and here I will have the double bonds. Okay, so if you see what is happening with this, Br is a big group, right? Bromine is a heavy atom, and heavy atom which is placed between hydroxyl and CHO will experience some steric hindrance, and therefore the attack, or you can say the bromine over here, will experience steric hindrance, and here the product, this product would be minor product. So next product would be similarly at this product also. Here if you see Br and OH is present, they both are bulky group, and they will feel steric hindrance with both of the atoms, and therefore this also, if there will be steric hindrance between Br and OH, so therefore this is also a minor product which is formed. So the major product which will be formed will be at the para position. If you see over here, what happens is same molecule will have OH, CHO. Pair of electrons on oxygen will donate the electron over here. This will go over here. This will come over here, which will result in the formation of a negative charge on this para position. And we have bromine atom in the presence of iron will attack this and will result in the removal of this, and we'll have the structure OH, positive. Here we would have a Br group, and one hydrogen will be present. Correct? And what will happen? Bond shifting is going to happen in this part, and here you will have this as the molecule, that is OH, and here obviously CHO is present, right? Here you will have your CHO as it is. Then here will be bromine, and here double bond, etc. So here if you see, there is minimum steric repulsion experienced by this bromine. There is only experienced repulsion between CHO and Br, and CHO is a small group compared to OH, and henceforth we can say that this group bromine will have the least repulsion felt, or you can say least steric hindrance felt because of OH and CHO, as OH is kept at the maximum far position as possible, and therefore this will be the major product. Now let's check the options which we have. If you see in this option, we have OHCHO Br, and Br is at para position. So this will be the correct answer. In second option, we have OHBrCHO. So this is incorrect. Here we have OHBrCHO. Br is present in the middle. So this is the minor product. So this is also incorrect because we want the major product, right? So that is incorrect. Now we have OHBrCHO Br. So this is also incorrect. Only correct option is option 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.